This video is about how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to delete your Facebook account permanently, you need to open Facebook application. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it. Then click on the settings icon. Go to personal and account information. Select account ownership and control. Then select deactivation and deletion. From here, select delete account and then click on this continue to account deletion option. Once again, click on continue to account deletion. Scroll down to the bottom and click on delete account. Now you will be required to enter your Facebook account password. So enter it here. Once you have entered the password, click on continue. Click on delete account. And that's it. Your Facebook account has now been deleted permanently. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.